Welcome to Dev Basics with AI. In this video, discover the 2026 Tech Skills Roadmap to level up your career, moving from a coder to an AI-powered software architect. The engineer's role is shifting from writing every line of code to expressing intent and orchestrating intelligent pipelines. AI tools now handle syntax, moving human value towards strategic decision-making and data architecture. You become the architect, directing a robotic construction crew. Python remains the AI glue language and the de facto standard for building, training, and deploying AI models using frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Master data manipulation with pandas and orchestrate modern workflows with Apache Airflow. Linux is the AI engine. Almost all AI workloads run on it because it provides the control and efficiency needed to scale massive compute environments. Comfort navigating a headless server via the terminal is essential for cloud server administration and resource scaling. TypeScript is becoming the web standard. Its compile time safety catches bugs early, and evidence shows it significantly reduces preventable bugs. Learning JavaScript in 2026 effectively means starting with TypeScript from day one. Rust offers performance and safety, serving as the default choice for systems where speed and memory safety are non-negotiable. It provides C++ performance without memory vulnerabilities. For example, Discord and Cloudflare handle trillions of requests using Rust. Data is the foundational layer. AI models depend on robust data. Without it, they can hallucinate. Securing your job means building extract, transform, load, or ETL pipelines using tools like Snowflake or Databricks. Kubernetes, or K8s, acts as infrastructure plumbing. Master Docker fundamentals for containers. Focus on deploy APIs for orchestration, as managed services handle complex YAML files. GitOps ensures a source of truth. Cloud 3.0 is shifting from centralized cloud to a distributed fabric. Centralized processing leads to high latency. The edge fabric offers a distributed execution layer necessary for split-second AI decisions. GitOps is the enterprise standard. Git is the single source of truth for deployment. Use tools like Argo CD for continuous deployment and Monitor for real-time state drift. If it's not in Git, it doesn't exist. Chat-oriented programming, or CHOP, involves a collaborative loop with AI. You specify high-level requirements, review AI-drafted code, and iteratively refine via conversation. The key rule is to focus your energy on requirement analysis. Vibe coding is about guiding intent through creative flow, focusing on rapid prototyping, intuitive style, and extreme speed. You might prompt the AI with qualitative feedback like, the animation should feel more responsive. Beware of the risk of vibe coding. The golden rule of AI-augmented engineering is, I won't commit any code I couldn't personally explain. AI-generated code requires meticulous scrutiny before entering production. Adopt dynamic prompting strategies. Use multi-turn interactions where questions build on previous responses. Implement context-aware strategies that adapt to real-time error messages, and always ask the model for a strategic plan first. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is like the USB-C for AI. It's an open standard allowing models to connect securely to your data and tools. This drastically reduces hallucinations by giving AI direct repository access. Agentic programming is moving toward goal-based reasoning, where AI agents solve unexpected problems independently. A bug fixer agent, for example, detects a crash, analyzes logs, and submits a fix autonomously. Multi-agent AI swarms work together. The planner breaks down high-level goals. The worker executes the code, and the critic reviews and validates the output quality. This structured collaboration enhances results. Master AI orchestration frameworks like LangChain or Semantic Kernel use vector memory databases like Pinecone for long-term context. Set up autonomous loops and programmatic construction to manage complexity. platform engineering adoption is growing significantly, especially in large enterprises. This involves treating platforms as a product and fellow developers as customers. In platform engineering, defining, quote, golden paths means creating the path of least resistance for scalable engineering within your organization. For agent golden paths, implement unified governance by treating agents as first-class citizens with their own permissions. Use adaptive feedback, allowing agents to propose architectural optimizations based on usage patterns. Retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, is key. The advice is, don't ask the AI to remember, ask the AI to read. The system retrieves relevant private documents, augmenting the model with facts to generate grounded answers. Embrace security by design. This means governance by default by injecting controls at the infrastructure layer. Use policy as code to automatically scan every line and adopt a zero-trust model. The AI evaluation consensus rule is about trust but verify. AI code is non-deterministic and requires rigorous evaluation before deployment. FinOps must focus on preventative cost gates. As AI costs explode, organizations need to block expensive deployments, not just analyze bills. Efficiency is now as important as speed, favoring preventative blocking over reactive analysis. We are seeing MLOps and DevOps convergence, leading to a unified pipeline. The MLOps engineer becomes the hero role, bridging the gap between raw data architecture and scalable model deployment. Systems thinking is the meta skill. It's the ability to see how global systems fit together. As technology becomes a structural capability, systems thinking turns a technologist into an architect. Focus on business value engineering beyond technical metrics. Pivot from deployment frequency to measuring revenue enabled and costs avoided. Instrument pipelines to prove how AI development reduces long-term technical debt. Self-architecture is the future, moving beyond simple self-healing. Platforms will dynamically re-architect themselves for cost and latency. The vision is a system that restructures its service mesh before users notice latency. Hardware and edge awareness are crucial. The next frontier isn't just better algorithms, it's energy efficiency and chip architecture awareness to tackle compute bottlenecks. The only constant is learning. With 50% of workers needing reskilling by 2027, adopt the 1% rule to improve technical knowledge daily and build one real prototype every month. The future belongs to those who never stop learning. Thank you for watching. Master the skills of 2026 to bridge the gap between human judgment and artificial intelligence. Ride the wave of innovation.